Example 3. In example 3, I give you a little bit more realistic business case where you can use productivity concept. So let's read the caption. Suzanne has a part-time cottage industry producing seasonal plywood yard ornaments for resale at local craft fairs and bazaar. She currently works 8 hours per day to produce 16 ornaments. What is her productivity? Productivity is very simple in this case. Productivity equals to outputs over inputs. In this case, what are the outputs? Suzanne is producing 16 ornaments. What are the inputs? She used 8 hours. So therefore, in this formula, you can say that given 1 hour, she can make 2 ornaments per hour. This is a productivity. Not very difficult, right? So next question is, okay, she thinks that by redesigning the ornaments and switching from use of a wood glue to a hot glue gun, she can increase her total production to 20 ornaments per day. What is her new productivity? Okay, so what is her new productivity? So productivity for a new one, she can make 20 ornaments instead of 16, but she used the same hours. So same input, but now output has been increased. So the result is 2.5 ornaments per hour. So previously it was 2, now it's 2.5. Okay, so there is a slight increase in productivity. Now, if you have this improved productivity, how can you address this improvement? To do this, we use a new concept called productivity increase or percentage increase in productivity. Not only productivity in business, many times we use this percentage increase concept. Percentage increase means given the baseline, how much improvements you can make. In this case, we are talking about productivity. So percentage, let me write down, increase. It could be decrease as well. In this case, increase, but let me just note that it could be decrease in productivity means you have to set up the baseline first. What is the baseline? Initial productivity. So let me just simply say it's old productivity. Compared to this old productivity, what we want to measure? Just the new productivity? No, the difference. So when you have new productivity here, productivity, you want to see the difference. So from new productivity, you subtract old productivity. Then you compare this with original product. Original means old productivity. So this ratio gives you the increase in productivity, but particularly if it's a percentage increase, you may multiply this by 100. So it's going to be percentage. So in this particular example, what's the answer? If you remember, the original productivity is what? 2. So 2 ornaments per hour. And here, what's the difference? The new one is 2.5. And again, old one is 2. And it's also same dimensions, so ornaments per hour. and it is 100, multiplied by 100 to show in percentage. So what's the answer? This is gonna be 0.5 over 2, right? And multiply 100, you will get it is a 25% increase. So the answer is a 25% increase in productivity compared to original productivity. Okay? So in summary, the percentage increase that we just we used in the previous example. If you formally define this one more time, let's say percentage increase in productivity means new productivity minus old productivity over old productivity multiplied by 100, and this is a percentage. So note that if, let's say, the new productivity is less than old productivity, this number will give you minus. This minus means what? Decrease in productivity. It does not have to be always, plus signs. If productivity has decreased, you can also measure this percentage decrease, but you will see the number with this minus sign. That means, productivity decrease. Okay, that's everything for topic one. So we've studied productivity, and now you better understand how to use this quantitative measurement to monitor the current status of the business. It's a kind of a typical approach we are going to use in operations management. Using some quantitative measurement, we can analyze the current status, and by looking at this current status, you can set up the goal using the same measurement as well. In this case, in this topic one particularly, we look at two different productivity, current productivity or old productivity, and we can look at the new productivity. So by looking at the same numbers, the same dimensions, you can define whether there has been improvement or not. So this is measured by percentage increase. Okay, so after you complete this topic one, there is one exercise you need to complete. It's gonna be posted online, so you must complete this before the due date. Thank you for watching the video, and I hope you enjoyed this first topic of operations management course. See you again.